I'm a savage, attitude nasty, talk big shit, but my bank account match it. Hood, but I'm classy, rich, but I'm ratchet. Haters kept my name in their mouth, not a gagging.
Thank you guys for tuning in for another freaking video. As you can see today, this is from Pizza Hair. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Here's the label here. It is 18 inches. Deep wave lace frontal from Amazon. So let's check it out. Right here, as you see, this is 18 inches lace frontal deep wave. I like the pattern. I like the hair. I was checking out the knots. It looks pretty good to me. One thing I will say is that it's a 13 by 14. It's a little short in the front for parting wise, but we'll make it do. Went ahead and slapped that bleach on there so we can go ahead and get those knots tinted and you know, make it do what it do basically. As you see, I'm checking the knots just to make sure that they're not bleeding through, that they are bleaching properly but not over processed. That is a very important thing. That was something that I had to work on, but I'm there now. Here's my client. I love her dreads. What I did was went ahead and braided it back, sewed it down properly just to make sure that there's no humps. Because she has curly hair, it gave me a little leadway, which I love. Okay, customized it a little bit, washed it, set it, toned it, plucked it, you know, created some little baby hairs here and there, just to give it a little inch, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just wanted to just give it a little something before I add it onto her head. Before I install it into her head, I should say. But let's see the finished product, guys. Let's check it out. So as you see, this is my client's final result over dreads that was sewed down. She wanted extra baby's hair. She's loving it. I'm loving it. We both feeling it. You guys tell me what you think. Drop your comments below. Thank you for watching.
Savage, attitude nasty, talk big shit, but my bank account match it. Hood, but I'm classy, rich, but I'm ratchet. Haters kept my name in their mouth, not a gagging.